Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming. If you're not, thanks for coming. I mean, you're here. So make sure you hit that bell, ding, and the subscribe button if you want to be a part of this journey that I'm on. So today is going to be make a simple neutral look, and then let's discuss blush. I got this idea from Sonia Nicole because I never know which blush to use. Since I'm new to makeup, I don't really use blush. These gorgeous blush colors, and I don't know which one works best. Some of them are very deep, some of them are very pink, but they're all very beautiful. So for today's eye look, it's going to be Give Them a Lala. My girl Lala Kent. This is her palette. This is the Pretty Palette Neutral Look, which I'm gonna do. I have some lipstick left over, so let's get into this. So if you didn't see the swatches, I'll do swatches. Here are the swatches. Very basic B look. She also has the Grown Woman palette. I'm pretty sure she posts on her IG all the time. What I like about Lala is she is for real. She does use her own stuff. So we're going to go in with Naked. That's my base shade. There is Kick. And this is the JH36 all over the lid. Just as a base color for me, because I like putting base colors. Use Naked so you look alive. Then we're going to go in with Walk of Shame, which is this nice dusty rose, I think. And we're going to go like that right here. Take this other fluffy brush and concentrate the color right here. It's looking very dusty, but it is okay with me. So I'm going to deepen that up, and then I'm going to take it underneath. That super pretty. I'm going to take a smaller brush. I have this e.l.f. brush, and we're going to go into Late Night, which is the chocolatey color. And go right here, just if you are a neutral girl, this would be your palette. So we're gonna go in with Baby Maker over the lid. Very pretty. Right there into the eyes. Ooh, I like it a lot. And bring this up here. Make my eyes look awake. I'm gonna do mascara, eyeliner, and be back. So let's play with some blush. I got a blush brush. We're gonna go into this pale pink here. Let's see. I don't think that works. It's very subtle, which is very nice. It's like a snowy pink. Alright, so we're gonna go to the mauve. Oh, now you can see that. That's very pretty. And on this side, this pink here. Oh, you can see that. Not too bad. And this is a very bright pink. Okay. And this is a very deep pink. Oh, that's very pink. I don't think I like that. Alright, so this would be, maybe I can fix it with this brown here. And use this as like a contour color? No, right? I like this side. These are too deep right here. This is very pretty. You could probably use it as an eyeshadow, but very, oh wow, very deep pinks. I would use that as eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with Kenya onto Veros, which is a very bright. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna go in with lights. This is the lightest shade. And just tap that there. And that is very pretty for the pretty palette. It's also very subtle too. Now these blushes down here are super pigmented. They would look amazing on deeper skin tones. But that's it. I don't know. Do you guys, I like this because it's very subtle. This just looks like blush. I don't know. You guys let me know. If you like these type of videos, leave a comment down below. Let me know which side you like better. If you like seeing the goofs, the oops, the ploops, just let me know in the comments. I love talking to you guys, and if you haven't already, hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe.